Good morning children. Welcome back. Today we will learn about the temperature zone. The temperature zone lies in both the northern and southern hemisphere. It lies between both the tropic of Capricorn, tropic of Cancer, and it lies between both the two polar circles. The temperate means having moderate climate, neither too hot nor too cold. They are mostly found between 40 degree and 55 degree latitudes to both the north and the south of the equator. These are found in 5 continents: North America, South America, Russia, Africa, Australia. In North America, in United States of America, they are called as prairies. In South America, they are called as pampas. In Russia, they are called as steppes. And in Africa, they are called as velds. And in Australia, they are called as downs. The most distinguishing feature of this temperate zone is the grasslands, which spreads along miles and miles only having grass. There are no trees and to be found here. There are only few can be seen near the rivers on the slope of the hills. There are no mountains in this zone. Only grass is grown in the flat level plains. The climate of this region follows like this. The prairies and the steppes which are in the northern hemisphere are located in the higher altitude, and then the pampas, velds and the downs of the southern hemisphere. These grasslands of the northern hemisphere are located in the interiors of the large continents. Here summer season is very short period, and as you can see here, in the early summer the sun is weak, and as the summer progresses the grass starts getting brown and dies up completely by winter, and then the sun is very bright and very hot. Winters are very long and very cold, and in the winter season the temperature can dip as low as 4 degrees centigrade. As strong winds blow very fast, light powdery snow blows across the grasslands. There are no trees to be found in this to break the spread of the winds. So they will experience snowy winds. So then they will have to experience snowy winds. So the people specially plant trees around their houses to protect from the winds. During the hot summer, the hot winds which blow across the prairies are called as Chinook. These help in the melting of the snow on the grasslands, so it helps the grass to grow again on the grassland. So it keeps the grass to grow and animals can begin grazing in this region. Here summer are very short period and hot, and winters are very long period and they are very cold, and this is known as the continental type of climate. In the rainy season here, rainfall is very less than in the equatorial regions. There is no specific monsoon season or rainy season. It starts raining during spring and in early summers. So there is a little rainfall and there is no rainy season. And that is enough for the grass to grow again. Grasslands of the southern hemisphere, which are called as velds, pampas and the downs, are located near the coastline. Here the climate is moderate. In summer season it is warm, and in winter season they are mild. Means it is not too hot in summer and it is not too cold in the winters. It is pleasant climate throughout the year in velds, pampas and downs.